Hello, I'm Sandeep Behra. I'm from Odisha and I joined Jspiders on 6th of March 2025. And uh, apart from that, this is a very good branch in Marathali. And they provided too many trainers, but most of them are very talented, and especially Sangvi ma'am, Saurabh sir, Kishore sir, Dhruva sir, they helped me too much to get this company. So I got placed in uh, 9th of March in 2026, and the most crucial part is the mock interviews. They gave us too much opportunities also, and I got too much opportunities from Sangvi ma'am, especially because she did a good hard work, and also the HR team. They contacted me every day. Like there is different requirements, you can add up to them.